how to find all of your MCP connections that you have associated with your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find all of the MCP connections in Claude Code. So in order to find all of the MCP connections, all you will need to do is simply type in the forward slash and type in MCP. Now hit the enter button and here you can see all of the MCP servers that you're currently connected to. So currently I'm connected to Claude AI Miro, and in order to manage this I can simply click onto this enter button, and from here I have these different options. I can click onto this view tools option in order to access all of the tools or all of the operations that I can perform using this particular MCP connections. Simply press the escape key to go back. You can clear or remove the authentication or also reconnect in case this particular MCP server is failing. Also, you have the option to disable your MCP server or MCP connection from Claude Code right here using this particular option. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.